Wait, bro, before you scroll down, I want you to do something real quick with me. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now exhale. I want you to, before you scroll again, I want you to rethink your life decisions right now. Like, rethink. Is that the best thing that you could do? Is the best version of yourself scrolling on his phone all day? Is the best version of you scrolling constantly on his phone? Probably not. So get off your phone, bro. Go live life. Go enjoy your family time. Go, I don't know, work out. Go outside in nature. I know I'm inside right now, but I'm fucking working on YouTube videos right now. So if I were you, go and do something productive. Do something that's actually fun, not scrolling. Do something that's actually fun for you. Okay? Later.